Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm gonna show you how we made this craft for kids. I'm gonna put the printables in my vlog, and I'm sorry the light is really bad for this video. I just wanted to show you this craft that you can do with your kids on a weekend and you know, kind of just get them interested on doing other things and playing on their tablets or TVs. To start with, we kind of want to cut around the whole shape, and my son will be doing this, and then he's gonna cut the felt. I'm using felt to cut the pieces and just cut around as well. Just get the shapes. The house is gonna be purple, so that's what we're gonna use. And just kind of change up the colors here and there so it looks nice. We were using regular Elmer's glue, but decided to just go with the hot glue gun. It will stick everything faster or make it stick faster, and it will last longer. So I just help him with that part, and I also give him paint so he can decorate the windows, the ghosts, and all these little details for the house. And now we just place everything in this gray background, and I'm just gonna cut around it, and the next one will be the little pumpkin. With the printout for the pumpkin, we're gonna trace in the felt. We have it already here. I glued it for him, and now he's gonna start coloring the inside of the eyes and the mouth in order so it can look like an actual Halloween pumpkin. And the next step, I'm just gonna add ribbon and something to hang the house and the pumpkin from either the wall or the door. We decided to use ours in the door, and they look really cute. Besides, my oldest feels like he decorated the house with his crafts, so it's a pretty cool detail that you guys can do. This is him showing how they look like, and I hope you enjoy this. Let me know if you try it with your kids. Share a picture with me, and I'll probably repost it and share it with somebody else. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.